Howdy y'all, I'm standing in the Victory Park area that's near downtown Dallas, and man, this is a fantastic area to be in. This is full of so many new developments. It's pretty much all new, built up in the last several years, and it's got shops, restaurants, events going on all the time. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a walking tour so that you can see more of this great area. I'm going along this area so you can see it. This is going to lead to us seeing the American Airlines Center area. So this is kind of the out street, as far as it's right next to 35, and that's a main road that you could use to get to here. So anyway, I just want you to see it. Again, it's about 4:40, and we're going to see, kind of what's going on. We're going to get up there in a little bit, and then we're going to see the American Airlines Center. Let me tell you a little bit about that. The American Airlines Center is a pretty cool venue. It's going to have so many events, concerts, the Dallas Stars, the Dallas Mavericks, and so you're going to have all of those things that you could go to at any time. This is a very social area, so you would be able to meet so many people, and you just have, hey, you want to go catch the Stars game, you want to catch the Mavs, you want to see someone in concert, you have it all there. So that's what's going on in this area, as far as it's a big draw. But there's also a lot of other shops and restaurants that make this area really fun. So we're going to walk to that, and I want you just to see what it's like, because there really is just a ton of stuff to do. There's also great apartments in this area. So this area is it's got a variety of places you could live. There's a ton of high rises, and there's a few other apartments. Here's one here called the Arpeggio. This is a pretty good one. I like it. So there's also other places that I like the Victory place, and several others here that we're actually going to do separate videos for, so that you can see what's going on with those places. All right, so here we go. We're going to cross the street now, and we're going to go to the Nowitzki Road, named after Dirk, the best Dallas player of all time. So we're here at in Victory Park, and we're just going to walk for a little bit. So just kind of check it out. The wind is a little brisk, so you have to forgive that wind. A little more brisk today than usual. All right, so across the street, we've got the American Airlines Center right over there. It's just great. And man, that gets packed. It's so fun. We're gonna see, that's kind of the back side. We're gonna see the front side in a minute. Over here is a new place called the Victor. That is pretty outstanding. High-end, high-rise residence. Beautiful place. So that's typical of this area. You've got a lot of high-end luxury residences. Okay, so we're passing another really cool part of Victory Park, and that's the W Hotel. W Hotel is super luxury, it's super fun, super famous. So there's always great stuff going on in the W. If you'll notice too, this street is pretty packed and pretty fun, and it's 4:30, so there's going to be plenty of cool, fun stuff to do there. We haven't even gotten to the main street yet, so. All right, so are you starting to see this? Just a great, fun area here. So this is the American Airlines Center. This is one of the more, better entrances. It's got a lot of huge video screen and a great plaza to kind of check out. So great area. And you know what? We're gonna just I guess we'll wait here for a minute, and then we'll cross. Actually, we'll cross. Over there is the area we just passed. That's that Victor high-rise, beautiful. And we're going to keep walking so you can get a good feel of this area. If you look